just like last time, we're going to go over some mixed patterns. We're actually going to look at patterns 3 through 5 today. So let's go ahead and write down these sentences in your notebook. And then if you need to, pause the video for more time. Make sure you label them, and you're going to bring them again completed and corrected to class for credit. So today's sentences are: Mr. Smits is our theater teacher. Marcy handed me the brochure. And Hosmer's performance was amazing. So go ahead and pause and write these in your notebook and go ahead and label them. Okay, you should have paused and labeled these in your notebook. Let's go ahead and correct our work. Mr. Smits is our theater teacher. Who is our theater teacher? Mr. Smits. Remember, when it's a proper name, we can use them as one whole word. So Mr. Smits is our subject. So subject noun. What is being said about Mr. Smits? Mr. Smits is linking verb. Is what? Teacher. Does teacher mean the same thing as Mr. Smits? Yes, it does in this sentence. Remember, when we have a linking verb, we can flip the order of the sentence and it still means the same. So I could have said, our theater teacher is Mr. Smits. So that does show that it's renaming. When it renames, that makes it a predicate nominative, also called predicate noun. PRN. All right. Whose teacher? Our. Possessive pronoun adjective. What kind of teacher? Theater. Adjective. Okay. Let's look at our pattern. It's SNLV, PRN, P4. And also a declarative sentence. If you're doing your slash, the slash goes between Smits and is. All right, Marcy handed me the brochure. Who handed me the brochure? Marcy. Subject noun. What is being said about Marcy? Marcy handed. So we have Marcy as our subject noun. Handed is our verb transitive. We figure out its transitive here in just a second. Does brochure mean the same as Marcy? No. So brochure is a direct object. Okay, gave it to whom? Me. Indirect object. Which brochure? The article adjective. Our slash would go between Marcy and handed. And here's our pattern. Subject, noun, verb transitive, IO, DO, P3. And it's a declarative sentence. All right. Our last sentence, Hosmer's performance was amazing. Whose performance was amazing? Hosmer's performance, but we just do performance. So, performance, what was amazing? Performance. Whose performance? Hosmer's. That's where we get the Hosmer's. All right, so performance is our subject noun. What is being said about performance? Performance was, linking verb. Was what? Amazing. Does amazing mean the same thing as performance? No, but it's describing it. So that's a predicate adjective. Whose performance? Hosmer's. It's a possessive noun adjective. And it's that way because it's a noun with an apostrophe S showing possession. All right, so this is actually a pattern 5. So it's, I made a mistake here. It's SNLV PA P5, not PA PA. Apologize for that mistake. Okay, so then we have a declarative sentence. So Mrs. Zier would even miss one on this one. All right, so you go ahead and bring it to me to class next time we meet. All right, look forward to seeing how you did.